Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Monday, October 1st. It is a new month. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. It is cold. Definitely October weather now. Halloween's coming. It's a good month. And we have today, I believe it's Amazon Prime unboxing, or might be just a unboxing video. I do believe coming from GSF, I think, and if I'm wrong, I do apologize. It'll be corrected in the title and in the description. You guys can take advantage to see what other goodies they have to offer. I think it's GSF. Might be wrong though. I do make mistakes. Alright, we got it open. Ooh, looks like a gift box. Look at that. Tiny little gift box. Thank you. Oh, jeez. Yeah, I don't know. We'll find out, though, once I figured everything out. But you guys could get one at a low cost. In case I do have any discount codes, it'll be in the middle description. So, oh, hey, smartwatch. Never had one of these until now, so thank you guys for sending this to show YouTubers what you guys have to offer. If I could open it. So, oh, that's why. Cut right there. Alright, now we can get inside. Uh-oh, it's empty. It must have fell through to the bottom. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna have to get my other phone to set it all up. Comes with a battery, extra battery. It's pretty big. Or is that SD? No, it is battery. Micro USB. And here is the watch that we shall see. Ah, that's a nice fancy dancy. Uh-oh. Okay, that's the coating. Got protection on it. Nice style, nice armband. Oh yeah. I haven't worn watches in so long. I used to have like Movado watches. Fancy dancy ones back when I was younger. But now I'll probably get into this smartwatch thing. Let's see what I could do with it. I can't read these instructions. Shoot. Oh boy. Alright, should be an easy setup. I'll figure it out together. Nice dials. Got the sides. I think the memory goes there. Nice front though. Nice size screen. No. Maybe it needs to be charged. And like I said, this is my first time, so bear with me. Or is that a camera? Oh, that is a camera. Interesting. James Bond type gadget. Come on. I remember back in high school, we used to have like those remote control watches. That was kind of advanced for my generation. I got in trouble with that so much. Turning off the TVs and stuff during videos. Oh yeah, good times. But now, geez, I can only imagine what we could do with this. But I might have to charge this thing. I'm going to charge this and then grab my phone back up because I'm going to have to set it all up also. So bear with me. I'll be right back. Oh, sorry about that. I just figured it out. The bottom right here. Oops, sorry about that. Right there. This is the like the gator skin case for it. And that looks like you could probably hold a SIM card probably. And then this is the battery, the micro battery. Really cool. All I gotta do is just slide it into that one. I don't want to show the serial numbers, so bear with me. Hold on one second. Let me see if I could get it in without it being on camera. Okay, now I understand. Took me a minute. I wasn't sure if that was like a micro SD But on the side, that's where you charge it to. That's where the USB goes. You guys can see it focus. There it goes. And I do believe that's some SIM or micro. And now we just put the this case back on the back. Cover it up. That was really easy to take out. So this might start up. Oh, come on. A lot faster now, since, like I said, never had one of these, and now I knew where to put it. See right here, there's the back. That is the camera. And then you just, right on top here, you take them off, just pop it. Like that, boom. Alright, hopefully it's charged. Maybe 2 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, come on. Maybe I do have to charge it. Okay. I'm going to have to charge this. I just want to show that part really quick because that's kind of important, I would say. But let me charge this thing up now since the battery's put in. You guys saw how to do it, and then I'm going to charge it up. Alrighty, YouTubers, we got it charging now. We got it rolling. So hopefully it could turn on. Sweet. Whoa. Bluetooth, okay. I'm gonna have to do all that too. Try to see what other features. Remote camera. See what the camera looks like. Install BT notifications and app. Okay. Connectivity. Empty. Profiles. Phone settings. Set time. Set date. Oh, this is nice. Hopefully you guys can see it. Yeah, it comes in good. So I'm liking this. Well, let's see if I could. Charger removed. I'm gonna put it on my wrist. See how it looks. How it feels. That is important. So definitely, YouTubers, you guys could get one at low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link. Dang. Fit. This is a nice wristband too. Look at that. Bling bling. Got it on my wrist. So, definitely different. It feels, for me it feels different because I haven't worn anything on my wrist in a long time. No handcuffs, no nothing. This is a nice little thing right here. Nice size screen. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna wear this on now. You'll see in my other videos, so definitely going to be keeping this. So thank you guys for sending me this smartwatch. Let me see if I can pull it up really quick. Who it's from. It doesn't feel heavy at all when I'm typing, so that's really cool. Another good benefit about this smartwatch. Feels normal. Alright, here we go. September 30th. This must be it. I think this is a Goku. I think this is a Goku. So thank you guys at Goku. Like I said, they got other kind of watches. I do believe this is waterproof. I hope I'm saying this right. Oh, that one is not it. Where is it? But it is by Goku, so definitely check them out, YouTubers. Links will be down below. It is an Amazon Prime unboxing video, so they got really cool smartwatches, just like this one. And that's about it, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a good one, and see you guys soon. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of Amazon Prime's fast shipping. Get this in no time.